Okay, Ron. Quick question about your strategy with the winning signals. How would you recommend that winning signals are used to the utmost for every investor class, and what are those investor classes?
Okay, Adam, there are three investor classes, and we really call that your profile. We try to figure out who you are and what your investment style is. So there's a conservative type, steady gains, and don't want to take too much risk. There's the moderate, more gains, take a little bit of risk, and then there's the aggressive, a lot of gain, take a lot of risk because you really want to make a lot of money. So we have those three. If you don't know which one you are, I suggest you start out at the conservative. Say put about 70% of your asset in the conservative signals, 20% in moderate, 10% in aggressive. In other words, test the water. You may be very comfortable with a moderate type of signal, and you say, hey, this is good because the return is very nice. If you think you're kind of a moderate investor, then you would go and you would actually invest more in the moderate signal. I would say maybe 20% in the conservative signals, 60% in the moderate, and then 20% in aggressive. Okay, so you're going to get some additional higher returns, and you only have 1/5 of your asset there on the aggressive side, but the returns can be tremendous. And if you're aggressive, very aggressive, I'm still suggesting you do some conservative, 20%, moderate 20%, and then go 60% aggressive. So you're basically heavily weighted in all of those opportunities that are going to have 40-50% return potential on those signals. And there are going to be times, let's say even people that just start out, where the first signal they get is a buy, and then sometime later they get to sell and it's at a loss. And now you say, oh my goodness, I did the wrong thing. The key is you have to have staying power. You have to trust the system, because it's all about the fact that over time we have demonstrated the winning signals will perform very well. We're getting 70% wins most of the time on all of the things that we have shown everybody. And the key is you have to stick to it. Stick to your guns. Sell when it says sell, even at a loss, because you're going to get an opportunity to turn around and buy something that would be a winner. The next one is going up. It's a winning signal. And you'll recover that loss, and you will basically, over time, you will generate significant returns. So those are some of the kind of guidelines. If you want to call them rules, you can, but I can more or less call them guidelines of how you should start out.